Hoje vou desenhar o goleiro Cássio com a camisa do Cruzeiro.
Pênalti, Savalizo, cruzou, olha a bola, Tiquinho,
Fala meus amigos, tudo bem? Sejam muito bem-vindos a mais um vídeo do canal Desenho. Meu amigo, se você quer ter uma evolução de anos em alguns dias no seu desenho, eu criei um e-book especialmente para você aí que está iniciando no desenho, tá bom? Nesse e-book eu vou te ensinar desde o zero até o avançado como você desenhar qualquer coisa. Eu vou te dar muitas dicas e vou te mostrar muitas imagens para você aumentar a sua criatividade. Então vem participar desse grupo de desenhistas que está evoluindo cada dia mais. Link aqui na descrição desse vídeo e no primeiro comentário fixado. E aí meus amigos, hoje eu vou desenhar o Cássio com a camisa do Cruzeiro. Mas se você gostou, já deixa muito like aqui, te inscreve se não for inscrito e clica no sininho para o YouTube te avisar quando tiver desenhos novos. Toda semana tem desenhos exclusivos só aqui no canal Desenha. Então meu amigo, não perde, beleza? Agora, bora lá, bora desenhar.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna...
Muito obrigado, meus amigos. E aí, vocês já assistiram algum desses vídeos aqui que eu fiz? Ainda não? Clique aí pra dar uma olhada, beleza? Tamo junto, até o próximo vídeo. Falou!